Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering on the HP Chromebook 14a and connecting to Wi-Fi. This gives you internet access for updates and account setup. Once done, sign in with your Google account or create one if needed, and enable two-step verification for better security. Make sure the battery is at least 20% before proceeding so updates won't interrupt. Also, confirm keyboard layout and language in the initial prompts, so you won't need to change system settings later. Now perform the system setup and updates. Open Settings, go to About Chrome OS and check for updates. Installing them ensures drivers and security are current. Next, install key apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store for productivity and sign into those apps. Once done, customize device settings, adjust brightness, touchpad sensitivity, and privacy permissions so the machine feels right. Make sure accessibility options are enabled if you need them. This reduces friction during daily use. Finish by organizing files and backup. Enable Google Drive Sync and mark critical folders for offline access so you can work without internet. Once done, pair Bluetooth devices and add printers under Settings Devices, testing each peripheral. Create a power wash recovery USB now so you can restore factory settings if needed. If something goes wrong, try a restart first. If issues persist, use recovery media to reinstall Chrome OS and retain access to your Google.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.